So let's find some function values on a given graph. This graph, you notice here we have a parabola going on. It's opening downward. And if we talk about a parabola, we got points all up and down and rounded. And if you notice, since it's opening downward, we're going to have a maximum point. And that's something we'll talk about later on. And the maximum points right in here. But anyways, let's just talk about finding specific values on the graph. Well, the question asks for when h of 5, what is that value? When h of 7, what is that value? When h of 8, what is that value? Let's talk about it. H, whenever we talk about a function notation, it could be called h, it can be called f, s, k, whatever it may be. In this case, it's called h, and it's of x. And whatever it equals to is going to equal the y value. And whenever we're talking about graphs, we're talking about ordered pairs. And what are ordered pairs? X comma y. That means the y depends on x. Y is a dependent and x is independent. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go find when h of 5, which means 5 is x. What is y? So let's go look. When I look, x here is 5. Right here we are. When x is 5, y is what? -1. Now let's look when h of 7, which x is 7. So let's find it. There's 6. And here's 7. Right here is 7. So when x is 7, y is 3. Let's go find when h of 8. Well, that means x is 8. Here's 8. And that tells me y is 2. So if I wrote these in order pairs, I get 5 comma -1, 7 comma 3, 8 comma 2. And that's how you find specific points on the graph. And again, this is a parabola and it is opening downward.